She's on top of every detail when you don't even know that the detail is necessary. I was guided through this process every step of the way, and she let me also feel like I was in some control of it, as I was in a time of my life where things were out of my control. So when I knew I was purchasing a home and I was going to be doing so on my own after the loss of my husband, I was very specific about where I wanted to be. Nancy had her finger on the pulse the entire time, notifying me immediately when she knew that one was going to be opening up. The first day of the listing, I got to go in and see the home with Nancy. I went in that morning. We agreed right away that this was the place for me. We went into the parking lot. Nancy wrote the offer with my input and had it ready to go. A few hours later, we went right back in with a home inspector, and that afternoon, Nancy submitted my offer, which was then accepted. And it was amazing because there were multiple offers, and because of Nancy's timing and dedication to getting this done in the right process and in the right order, I was successful in getting my offer accepted. Whenever there was a little bump in the road, she would be very patient and gentle with me. It was something that went smoothly, much more smoothly than I could have ever expected, and I couldn't have done it without her.